My name is Meryem. I am 43 years old. I am from Turpan. I came to Turkey in 2016 to educate my children. I have been living in Istanbul since then. I haven't seen my 12-year-old daughter, Rizvangul, for I don't know how she is. As a teenager, she needs me. A plus, she is an innocent. Dear mother around the world, please help us to get our daughter back. Dear humanity, children are our future. Please, let's all together save our future. We urge the Chinese to return as our children back. We demand that Turkey, the United States, other country officials, organizations to help us. We never stop until we get our children back safely. Please hear my voice, O world.